This is how to use the Makah long press keyboard for smartphones. After you install the keyboard for Keyman, you will be presented with this layout. The Makah keyboard is very similar to an English QWERTY layout with a few changes. Most notably, the R, F, and V keys have been replaced with letters that are more common in Makah, like the barred L and the glottal stop. To get the English letters, hold and press the corresponding keys. For example, hold and press the glottal stop key, and you will get a pop-up that gives you the V. This is similar for the other keys. This same principle applies to the rest of the keys on the keyboard. You may notice little tiny dots in the top right corner of some of the keys. The little dot means you can long press the key to get additional options. For example, hold and press the W key to get the superscript W, or hold and press the H key to get the H with the dot below. To type a long vowel, first press the short vowel that you want, for example, I, and then press the middle dot. So the middle dot is the key that is to the right of the L key. So E middle dot, I middle dot, A middle dot. Those are the basic functions of this keyboard. For more details, see the help page on the Keyman website.